Hello students, welcome to online classes. My dear students, in the last video we have seen the point from the unit second. We have taken teamwork and I have explained it to you, okay, and you have understood it, I know. Now in this video we are going to see the question answer based on this teamwork, okay, and from the textbook we will see and we will solve the question given in our textbook, okay. So you have to see the textbook, you have to open the textbook and let us see here some of the words meaning also I have told you, okay, the words meaning also I told you when I was explaining this poem. Then now all the question answer based on this poem we are going to see. Complete the following sentence. Let us see. Let us read. The first question is that let us read. What it says here, complete the following sentence. Okay, now here the sentence is given but that is not completed and we have to complete this sentence taking the words from the poem itself. Okay, let us see. If nobody passes the ball in the basketball game, then you cannot. What you cannot do if nobody passes the ball in the basketball? What you can't do? Okay, when we play the basketball, then what is our aim? What is our goal? To shoot the ball in the hoop. Okay, बॉल को हुक में डालने का एक लक्ष्य रहता है हमको और वहीं पे डालने के बाद ही हमको स्कोर मिलता है. तो वहीं पे अगर किसी ने अगर हमको बॉल पास नहीं करेगा तो हम क्या स्कोर कर पाएंगे? Are you going to score the point? Okay, so that is the question here. We cannot shoot. Okay, if nobody passes the ball in the basketball game, then you can't shoot. Okay, you can't shoot. Then question number 2. In a relay race, if no one passes the button, then what will happen? The relay race cannot go on or relay race cannot be completed if nobody is passing the button. What is the button here? Relay race? The stick. Okay, relay race में button क्या होता है? वो stick जो होता है हम pass करते हैं एक दूसरे के हाथ में. Okay, then think and write. Next question, think and write. Let us think and write about this one. Okay, but my dear students, I have solved this one for you, but you have to just think before you write these things. Okay, so let us see. Name the team members needed for the following. Now we have to name the team members needed for the following. Okay, now here some of the things, some of the activities, some of the games, some of the things are mentioned here, and in those things or in the game or in any activities that is mentioned here, that one person cannot do. एक ही आदमी उसको कर नहीं पाएगा. Okay, तो उसमें क्या होता है? टीम वर्क रिक्वायरमेंट होता है या फिर बहुत सारे लोगों का जरूरत पड़ती है इस काम करने के लिए. तो देखो यहाँ पे to play cricket we need. Okay, to play cricket what are the things we need? Okay, we cannot play alone also, and if we cannot play cricket if we don't have bat, ball. Okay, and all these things if you don't have, we are not going to play the cricket. Okay, अगर आप फिर और सब कुछ है आपके पास, बैट है, बॉल है, फील्ड भी है और स्टंप्स वगैरह सब कुछ है, पर आपके साथ बॉलिंग करने के लिए कोई भी नहीं. ओके, बॉलिंग करने के लिए कोई नहीं है, फील्डिंग करने के लिए कोई नहीं है और उसको देखने के लिए, रेफरी करने के लिए या फिर कोचेस या फिर कोई भी नहीं है. क्या आप क्रिकेट खेल पाओगे? नहीं. तो क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए हमको ये सारी चीज का जरूरी होता है. You see here, batsman has to be there in order to play the cricket. Then bowler has to be there who will throw the ball. Then fielder also has to be there, and then coach also has to be there. Okay, then only we can play cricket. Otherwise, we are not going to play the cricket. We cannot play alone. If we have everything, then also we cannot play the game. Then number 2. To make a film we need. Okay, now we watch the movies, we watch the films very often in the TVs and in theater halls also. Okay, I know you are watching in the TVs and so on, and you can watch the serials and some cartoons also. But how can they be made? Okay, if there are no people to make that one, if there are no different people are not there, then they cannot make the movies or they cannot make the film. So in order to make the film, what are the things required? Okay, the producer has to be there, one who is producing the story. Okay, one who is producing the story on which the movie has to be made, on which the film has to be made, and there must be a director. Okay, जो direct करेगा, ऐसे एक्शन करना है, वैसे एक्शन करना है, अभी फाइट करना है और तभी whatever is to be there. Okay, so one director has to be there in order to direct the movie, and then actor. Okay, actor also needed there. If there is nobody to act, and producer is there, and director is there, but no actor is there, can there be a movie? Can they make a film? No. Then dancer also has to be there, sometimes to entertain the audience. Then etc. All these things are required to make a film. Then next one, to run a good school we need. Okay, now again, to run a good school, to have a school. Okay, what are the things are there? We have a big building and we call it as a school. But if there is no principal, no teachers, no students, and no peons, and nobody is there, then how can a school run? Can we call it a school? No, nothing else. That's it. Is just we can call it a empty building. Okay. Now, so to run a good school, we need a principal. Okay. Then teacher has to be there, and then student has to be there, and peon also has to be there. Now, my dear student, can you tell me if there are no students in the school, can the school be called a school? No. So all these things are required. So these are the things, or these are the members. They come together as a team. Okay, they come together as a team and work together. Okay, then only they succeed. Okay, or then only we can call it as a school. Another one, to run a restaurant we need. Okay, you know, restaurant, very often you go to eat meals. Okay, you go to enjoy the food. Okay, your dinner or whatever may be, lunch, dinner, and any other things. You go to the restaurants. Okay, so now you might have seen in the restaurants who are the people are there. Okay, when you are ordering food. Okay, so there are many people are there in the restaurants. Okay, like here manager has to be there. Okay, manager has to be there, cooks has to be there, waiters, and etc. etc. All these things have to be there, and all these all these people have to be there in the restaurants, and they will work together. They will work together. Then only this will be called as a restaurant, and restaurant will go on. Otherwise, if there is no cook and we call it a restaurant, then how can the food come from? Okay, so cook also need to work. So here all the members we saw here, these members here in the cricket also we saw some of the members, and here in making the film also we saw some of the members. So here if these members have to work, okay, all the members have to work nicely, okay, सबके सब मिलकर काम करेंगे तभी ये चीज हासिल हो सकता है. Otherwise nothing else will be done. Okay, कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. Then question number 2. Complete the set of rhymes words. Okay, rhyming words. One has been done for you. Now in your textbook you can see here the set of rhyming words is there. Words are there. Okay, some of the words are there, and we have to make our own rhyming words. We have to take our own rhyming words, what is there in our mind, and we'll fill in the box. Okay, so one has been done in your word, like tea. What is the rhyming word for tea? Bean. You have to write yourself. Okay. Here I have written some of them, but you have to write yourself if any other rhyming words you know. Okay. For example, here plus. Here what I have written? As I have written. Done, burn I have written. Hoof, loop, and then shoot, root. Then goal, call, joy, boy. So these are some of the rhyming words I have written here for you. But if you have some other rhyming words, plus, okay, instead of us, you can write that one also. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, as many as rhyming words you know. Okay. Then let us see here one poem is given, and we'll read this poem and we'll try to understand this poem. Okay, let us see the poem, and it is very interesting poem. Okay, it is very interesting. Okay. For want of a nail. For want of a nail. Do you know what is a nail? Here the picture is given of a nail. This is what? A nail. For want of a nail. एक nail के लिए, okay, एक nail के लिए क्या हो गया यहाँ पे देखते हैं. But okay, if there is no nail, then what can happen? What will happen? Okay, let us see. For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. Here you can see the shoe of the horse. Okay, shoe of the horse. Here not our shoe that we wear when we come to school. It is not that shoe. Okay, here the shoe of the horse it is here. Okay, so for want of a nail the shoe was lost. For want of a shoe the horse was lost. And you see, for want of a nail the shoe was lost. Okay, and for want of a shoe the horse was lost. Okay, then for want of a horse, the rider was lost. For want of a horse, the rider was lost. Then for want of a rider, the battle was lost, and for want of a battle, the kingdom was lost, and all for the want of a horseshoe nail. Okay, all for the want of a horseshoe nail. अब ये सारे चीज क्या हुआ, एक शू नेल के वजह से सारे के सारे चीज खोना पड़ा. ओके, देखो फॉर वांट ऑफ ए नेल, एक नेल के लिए. ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड हियर, द नेल इज नॉट देयर. ओके, इफ द नेल इज नॉट देयर, then we cannot fix the shoe, okay, in the horse leg. Okay, and if we cannot fix the shoe in the horse leg, horse के पैर में अगर ये शू हम अगर फिक्स नहीं करेंगे, फिक्स कैसे करेंगे, नेल होगा तभी हम फिक्स कर पाएंगे. तो नेल नहीं है हमारे पास, तो क्या हम फिक्स नहीं कर पाएंगे. अगर हम ये शू हॉर्स के पैर में फिक्स नहीं किया तो हॉर्स चल नहीं पाएगा. ओके, वॉकिंग कर नहीं पाएगा, उसको दर्द होगी. ओके, तो अगर ये हॉर्स चल नहीं पाएगा तो क्या होगा, ये राइडर उसके ऊपर सवार नहीं कर पाएगा. ओके, अगर ये राइडर जो सवार करने वाला था वो अगर उसके ऊपर सवार नहीं कर पाएगा तो क्या होगा, वो बैटल नहीं लड़ पाएंगे या फिर वो जंग नहीं लड़ पाएंगे और उसी के वजह से उनका जंग में हार जाएंगे. ओके, लड़ाई में हार जाएंगे. और अगर वो लड़े हार जाएंगे या फिर वो जंग हार जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, उनका किंगडम, उसका राज दरबार लॉस हो जाएगा. राज दरबार किसी और छुड़ाकर ले जाएगा. ओके, एंड इट इज ऑल फॉर ए वांट ऑफ ए नेल. और यही नेल की वजह से ये सारी चीज, ये राज दरबार गवाना पड़ेगा. ओके, so that is what how nice this is. Okay, so here in this point also it says everything is important, my dear students. सभी चीज बहुत छोटे बड़े या फिर कुछ भी हो जाए, सभी के सभी चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है जब हम मिलकर काम करेंगे. हर एक मेंबर इज इंपॉर्टेंट, हर एक पर्सन. ओके, every person is very important to do any work, okay, that is given to him. Okay, we should not ignore anything. Okay, if I don't do this one, no problem, nothing will happen. Okay, so many things may take place. Okay, so and that is and all for the want of a horseshoe nail, everything happened. Okay, so that is what here. Now one example, one exercise is there given to us and we have to write the exercise. Here making questions for the answers given in the speech bubble. Okay, now यहाँ पे हमको आंसर दिया हुआ है और उसी आंसर के लिए हम क्या करने वाले हैं, क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे. ओके, या इसी आंसर के लिए हम क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे. और ये क्वेश्चन हम कहाँ से बनाएंगे, यहाँ पे हमने ऑलरेडी पॉइंट को रीड किया. ओके, किसके लिए क्या हुआ, नेल की वजह से क्या हुआ, शू फिक्स नहीं हुआ और शू फिक्स नहीं होने के कारण क्या हुआ, हॉर्स नहीं चल पाया. हॉर्स नहीं चलने की वजह से क्या हुआ, वो राइडर सवार नहीं कर पाया. तो इस प्रकार से हम देखे हैं ऑलरेडी. सो नाउ लेट अस सी हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. आंसर इज गिवन, द शू वाज लॉस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द नेल. द शू वाज लॉस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द नेल. हम कैसे इसको सवाल कर सकते हैं, कैसे इसका क्वेश्चन तैयार कर सकेंगे, हमको क्या करना है, व्हाई. हम क्या करेंगे वहां पे, व्हाई was the shoe lost. Okay, why was the shoe lost? The shoe was lost the shoe was lost because of the nail. Why was the shoe lost? The shoe was lost because of the nail. The answer is given already. Then the kingdom was lost because the battle could not be fought. Okay, the kingdom was lost because the battle could not be fought. Here what? How you can ask here a question again? Again you can put why. Again हम क्या कर सकते हैं, फिर से why लगाकर हम क्वेश्चन तैयार करेंगे. Why was kingdom lost? Okay, why was kingdom lost? The kingdom was lost because the battle could not be fought. Okay, and battle could not be fought. इसीलिए kingdom lost हो गया. Then next, the battle was lost because there was no rider. Okay, the battle was lost because there was no rider. Then what is the question we can make here? Again we can use the question, okay, or make the question taking the word why. Why को लेकर हम फिर से हम यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन तैयार करेंगे. Why was the battle lost? Why was the battle lost? Okay, my dear students, जब भी हमारा क्वेश्चन, हम क्यों यहाँ पे तीनों क्वेश्चन में why लगाए? Okay, why did we use this word why in all these three questions? You know, okay, this is because here we because is used. Okay, because यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है हर एक क्वेश्चन में, हर एक आंसर में क्या है, because है। because मतलब क्या पूछता है वो, कारण, क्यों, क्यों ऐसे हुआ। ओके, क्यों ऐसे हुआ, because बोलेगा तो क्यों। Okay, if anybody is asking why you did not come to school, because I was late for the, okay, I got up late, because I got up late in the morning, okay, therefore I could not come to school. Okay, why are you late today, because I could not get up early in the morning. Okay, then why you did not complete your homework, because yesterday there was no electricity. So जब भी हमको सवाल पूछा जाता है why, हमको जवाब में क्या देना पड़ता है, because। तो जब भी कोई आंसर में because होगा, हमको सवाल कैसे करना है, why को लेकर सवाल करना है। ओके, now here again another exercise is given. Now make 3 more questions and answers from the poem teamwork. Now अभी हमको क्या करना है, वही पॉइंट जो हमने देखा है टीमवर्क, उसी में से हमको 3 क्वेश्चंस बनाने हैं, अलग अलग 3 क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे। जैसे हमने ये फॉर वांट ऑफ ए नेल जो पॉइंट दिया था, उसमें क्वेश्चन आंसर जो हमने किया, तो उसी तरह से हमको क्या करना है, क्वेश्चन और आंसर बनाना है हमारा पॉइंट टीम वर्क से लेकर। ओके, वहां से आंसर लेंगे, उसके बाद उसके लिए क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे। ओके, इसी प्रकार के करेंगे। तो यहाँ पे मैंने आपके लिए किया है, वो देखो यहाँ पे अच्छी तरह से। हाउ कैन वी मेक आवर ड्रीम वर्क, हाउ कैन वी मेक आवर ड्रीम वर्क, हमारा ड्रीम वर्क को हम कैसे करेंगे। ओके, हम हमारा ड्रीम वर्क को, ड्रीम को कैसे हम हासिल कर पाएंगे। Then we can make our dream work by working together. We can make our dream work by working together. साथ में काम करेंगे तो हम हमारा ड्रीम या फिर हमारा एम हासिल कर पाएंगे। Then how can the relay race go on? How can the relay race go on? Okay, here again the answer: the relay race can go on if someone passes the button. Relay race can go on if someone passes the button. If nobody passes the button, then relay race cannot go on. Then question number next: how can we achieve our common goal? How can we achieve our common goal? Okay, we can achieve our common goal by working together. We can achieve our common goal by working together. My dear students, here you also can observe here in 3 of these questions what we have used how. Okay, what we have used how. ये तीनों क्वेश्चन में हम क्या इस्तेमाल किए हैं, how को इस्तेमाल किए हैं। ओके, तो जब भी हम how को इस्तेमाल करेंगे, हमारे आंसर में क्या होना चाहिए, by होना चाहिए। कैसे किया है आपने, किस तरह से आपने किया है, बोला जा रहा है। ओके, तो हम ऐसे करके, वैसे किया, वैसे करके, ऐसे किया, जैसे किया हमें we can make our dream work, ऐसे करके साथ में काम करके हम ये ड्रीम वर्क को हासिल कर पाएंगे। ओके, बाय का मतलब वही है। यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ भी वैसे लिखा हुआ है इफ नोबडी पासेस, हाउ कैन वी, यहाँ पे बाय, इफ। ओके, एंड हियर आल्सो अगेन बाय। व्हेनेवर ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर सीन, व्हेनेवर ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर देयर, जब भी ये वर्ड्स दिखाई देंगे हमको, हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा हाउ को लेकर क्वेश्चन तैयार करने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे। ओके, now so in the next video we will see the picture composition. Okay, so here in this video we stop here, and rest of the question answer we'll see in the next video.